You want to learn how to use Gamma.app? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. First up, what is Gamma.app? Gamma allows you to create beautiful presentations, documents, and websites with AI, and no design and coding skills are required. So once you're ready, click the first link in the description and you'll be taken to the homepage. And now click on sign up for free and you'll be taken to the dashboard here. Click on generate new AI and you'll be taken to this create page. Here it will say create with AI. How would you like to get started? It will say paste in text, create from notes and outline or existing content. You can generate from a one-line prompt in a few seconds or import a file or URL. Let's click on middle one, which is generate, and it asks you what you want to generate. It could be a presentation or a web page or document. Let's click on presentation, and down here it will ask you what language do you want this AI to generate in. It could be English or another language. Let's just select English. Next to it, we've got number of cards. These are slides. So if you want one slide in the presentation or 10 slides, select any of them. I'm just going to select 7 cards. Describe what you'd like to make. So these are some of the example prompts below. I will say create a presentation for pet accessory store, generate outline. And here it gives us outline for our presentation. These are 7 slides with the outlines, and you can add a new card. Just delete the card from here. Now in the settings, you've got brief, detailed, or medium. Let's just keep it medium. Image source. It could be web images. So you can ask Gamma.app to search web images and enter it, or it can just be automatic. If you're not sure if you want web images or AI images, you can just click on automatic. Continue. Now this is a theme preview. On the right hand side, you will find all the themes. Ink, Alien is good, and generate. Now it's generating the presentation live on the screen, adding all the text, AI images, and everything. Now this is a simple editor. Just make changes to the text by clicking here. Make changes like this. On the left side, remove the image fitting, and it's going to make it full screen. Change focus point. Just change the focus point like this, and remove the background. It will take in like 5 credits. And there surprised me. Let's check this one out. Okay, this, I think it used AI image to make something similar, but just made it with AI. Now edit accent image. These are all the accent images. You can choose any of them. Now on the top, you'll find these 3 icons. The first one is to drag and move this around like this. And the second one is card styling. The background layout like this. You can change it. The accent image, edit it from here. The card color, make it green, red, or white. The content alignment, make it top align, center, bottom. Here it doesn't really make any sense, but it's fine. Then white content, make it white content. Then we got backdrop. Let's click on add, make a prompt here, enhance prompt, and select the same style. Aspect ratio, make it square. You can use Playground in this, or Google's AI image generator, ideogram, and all other things are in the Pro and Plus plan. They also have Flux model for free. Let's generate it. Okay, so this is how the backdrop works. It's going to add the background to your section. That's it. And these are the current credits you have. This is 355 credits. Now on the left, we have view. You can make it list view or film strip view, and just go to each of these sections by clicking here. And on the right, we have got card templates as the first option, which is this. Drag and drop it here to add another element. You can add cards like this, just drag and drop it to add new cards. Now down here we have smart layouts, circle stats, or pyramid layout, of funnel layout, and such. These are all the blank layouts, and you can add a 2-column layout. Now inside here we can type in / for blocks, or continue writing for the AI. Let's enter in / and we will have these options. First one is title, display, monster. First one is title, question box, button, 4x4 table, and such. You can add a YouTube video, Loom recording. These are all the things that are currently available inside the /. Now under smart layouts, we have got basic blocks. These are all the basic blocks. Something like a to-do list or a warning box can be added from here. Interactive controls, tables, links, and such. Down here we have images. Down here we have images. You can upload from your computer, unsplash images, QR codes and such. Yeah, images, videos and media. You can add a YouTube video or an MP4 file from your computer, Loom recording and such. You can embed apps, embed a Google Drive sheet or documents, embed a page from a website, mirror board, and a lot more. Now they also have charts and diagrams. You can add like a Venn diagram or target diagram and such. Let's say I add this one, which is a flywheel diagram over here. And then you can make changes to this diagram like this. Add a line, arrow, different shapes, text, image, everything. Now let's just close this. Next we have forms and button. Like you can drag a button below this and choose where do you want, when someone clicks on this button, where do you want to take them to, that way. And a Google form, teleform, and type form and such. Now on the top bar, you'll find this is the name of our current presentation. You can click on this and edit it, or you can go to homepage or change the theme. If you don't like this theme, you can just change it by a click of a button. Like I can change it to iris, and it's going to change the whole style to iris. Then next to it, we have got share. You can share it with someone, share with a team member, collaborate with them. Just enter the email and choose the access permissions. You want to give them a view access, full access, or comment access. And next to it, we have share. You can copy this link and share it with someone, and they will be able to view this presentation. And then there is export. You can export this whole presentation to a document, PNG, PDF, or PowerPoint. Now, if you want to hide Made with Gamma badge, you need to upgrade to the Plus plan. I'll show you the pricing page next. But before that, let's go to embed. And this is for your website. If you have a website, like a WordPress website, just include this iframe with an HTML block, and that's it. Now, next to it, we have present. So we can present this presentation with animations and everything. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the slides left or right, like this. Now press escape and you'll be back to the editor. Next to the present button, we have edit all cards with AI. We can ask AI to make changes to all the cards. But this feature is also available on the Gamma Pro, so you need to upgrade to the Pro plan. Now click this and you will have undo version history, page setup, export, comments, delete this Gamma. This basically means it's going to delete this presentation project, and you can duplicate this project by clicking this button. And this is published to website. You can convert this whole presentation to a website. Let's click on this. It's going to make it into a website. This is your Gamma hosted website with a subdomain using the main website, which is Gamma.site. And you can upgrade to a Pro plan to remove the Made with Gamma and have your custom domain instead of this domain, which is the subdomain of Gamma.app. Now in the settings, you can change the site name, favicon, which is on the top, which you see here, like this icon, and it has to be a 128 by 128 pixels. And down here we have navigation, top navigation bar or no navigation bar, that's up to you. Then you can add a Google Tag Manager, the code, Google Tag Manager ID. And once you're ready, just click the publish website. Now let's see the website on the front end. This is how the website will look like on the front end with all the animations playing and everything. And the buttons are going to work. So we can click on this and it's going to take you over to another page, which you have selected. And you can access your presentations or websites again by going to Gamma.app. And in the dashboard, you will see all your Gammas available. Now let's look at the pricing plans. They have got these two options. The first one is Plus and the other one is Pro. There's not much difference between the two plans. It's just that in Plus, you can generate up to 15 cards, and in Pro, you can generate up to 30 cards, and you get more AI tokens. That's it. Other than that, in Pro, you also have the access to have a custom domain and URLs. You get the ability to add custom fonts on Pro version, and you can also add password protection to your presentations or websites. So that's it. This is how to use Gamma.app to create stunning presentations with AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.